In Indonesian streets, satay vendors ignite passion with every sizzle. Kecap manis, a sweet soy sauce, elevates the dish to new heights instantly. Freshly prepared peanut sauce is the perfect accompaniment always. Street carts loaded with marinated meat and fresh vegetables abound. Late-night comfort food seekers flock to these carts for satisfaction. The aroma of wok smoke and grilled meat fills the evening air. Skilled chefs rapidly cook satay to perfection on smoldering coals. Each satay piece is carefully plated, garnished with fresh herbs and spices. Restaurants serving nasi goreng and satay offer a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Food market stalls showcase an array of fresh ingredients and spices. Traditional cooking methods are preserved in the preparation of these dishes. The combination of nasi goreng and satay is a match made in culinary heaven. Indonesian Nasi Goreng sizzles and woks, filling streets with savory smoke. Kecap manis sweetens the dish, balancing flavors in each bite. Street carts serve nasi goreng late at night, a comforting treat. Fresh ingredients are essential for authentic Indonesian flavors. Skilled chefs cook satay to perfection, grilling meat on wooden skewers. Peanut sauce complements satay, a creamy and nutty accompaniment. Night markets offer a variety of satay, from chicken to beef and pork. Vendors expertly assemble nasi goreng, adding vegetables and meat. The aroma of sizzling satay and nasi goreng fills the evening air. Cooking techniques are passed down through generations of chefs. Traditional recipes are preserved, using fresh and local ingredients. Indonesian cuisine comes alive in the combination of nasi goreng and satay. Peanut sauce is a crucial component of satay, adding rich flavor and texture. Kecap manis, a sweet soy sauce, enhances the dishes with its distinct taste. Street carts and night markets showcase the smoky charm of nasi goreng. Fresh ingredients are carefully selected to create authentic Indonesian flavors. Cooking scenes reveal the art of preparing satay, with chefs expertly grilling meat. Indonesian Nasi Goreng and Satay restaurants offer a cozy atmosphere for late-night comfort. The aroma of wok smoke wafts through the air, teasing the senses and building anticipation. Skilled chefs prepare each dish with precision, ensuring a delightful culinary experience. Kecap manis is generously poured over nasi goreng, elevating its savory flavor profile. Peanut sauce is meticulously crafted, with roasted peanuts and spices blended to perfection. The combination of nasi goreng and satay is a match made in heaven, satisfying cravings. Late-night food markets and street carts bring people together, sharing the joy of Indonesian cuisine. Street carts in Indonesia offer nasi goreng and satay with smoky charm always. Vendors expertly cook ingredients in woks, filling the air with savory scents. Kecap manis adds a sweet and thick flavor to the dishes, a key ingredient. Fresh vegetables and meats are carefully selected for each nasi goreng serving. Peanut sauce is traditionally served with satay, a creamy and nutty complement. Late-night food markets bring people together, sharing the joy of eating. Chefs skillfully plate nasi goreng, arranging ingredients with precision and care. Satay is typically grilled to perfection, served hot and fragrant always. Food market stalls showcase the diversity of Indonesian cuisine and culture. Hands move quickly, cooking traditional food with practiced ease and skill. Indonesian Nasi Goreng and Satay restaurants offer a cozy atmosphere, warm lighting. Comforting aromas of wok smoke and kecap manis fill the air, enticing passers-by. As night falls, Indonesian Nasi Goreng and Satay vendors come alive. Street carts fill with the smoky charm of wok-seared ingredients. Kecap manis and peanut sauce aromas waft, enticing late-night crowds. Fresh ingredients are carefully selected for each nasi goreng dish. Skilled chefs quickly cook satay, serving it with spicy peanut sauce. Restaurants offer a cozy atmosphere, complete with warm lighting. Traditional cooking methods are used to prepare each nasi goreng plate. Vendors take pride in their satay, carefully grilling each skewer. The combination of wok smoke and Kecap manis is unmistakable. Late-night comfort is found in the flavors of Nasi Goreng and Satay. Each dish is a reflection of Indonesian culture and tradition. The smoky charm of Nasi Goreng and Satay lingers, a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.